Hi dear friends, welcome to ASV Mathematical and Dynamical Tutorial Center. So today I discuss about the identities of algebra. So what is identities? What is equation? So why we want to study identities differ from equation? So first I teach you what is equation. So equation, when we call the equation means we want to take from the polynomial. So f of x equal to x square minus 3x plus 2. I take this polynomial. This polynomial when we want to call the equation. So equation means x square minus 3x plus 2 equal to 0. So any polynomial we can write equal to 0 means we can call the equations. When the polynomial satisfy equal to 0. So now if you substitute x equal to 1 in this equation, you can get the 0. So x equal to 1. So 1 square minus 3 into 1 plus 2. So here 1 minus 3 into 1 3 plus 2. So 1 plus 2 equal to 3. 3 minus 3 equal to 0. So now this polynomial satisfy when x equal to 1, the particular value only satisfy the polynomial, it is equation. So any one value only, for example it is a second order, one more second degree, one more value is there. So degree 2 means you can get the 2 roots for this equations. According to the 2 roots satisfy the polynomial, it will equal to 0. So this is the equation. But what is identities differ from equation? If you know or if you want substitute any kind of value instead of x and y. For example, if I myself x equal to 1, but yourself x equal to 3, y equal myself y equal to 2. You can substitute y equal to negative 3, any one value. If you substitute in the left hand side and right hand side, you can get the same value. This is the identity. But it is not possible to here, because equation, when you substitute the proper root in this equation, you have to get the 0, it is an equation. But here whatever you can substitute in the left hand side and right hand side, you can get the same value. This is the identity. So from my dear students, from today onwards, you have to write the particular symbol. Identity means you have to write identity. Equation means you should be write the equal to 0. This is the meaning. But in the identities, how you can keep in your mind lifelong without memorizing. I will teach you easily. You concentrate. You listen properly. I will explain easily. So now, if you want to write proper identities for any degree means, you have to apply the Pascal's rule. It is a very important to know what is in order to the identities. For example, any variable is a power means the answer is 1. For example, x power 0, anything power 0, it is 1. So next one, x plus y, 1. So the power is 1 means, just you see power 1 means the two coefficient of the variable. This is the coefficient of the variable. So coefficient means any variable have in front of any number, it is a coefficient. So now how I want to write here 1, another 1. That means 1, 1. Some other variable it will come in particular place. So here x means x plus y. This is the meaning. So x plus y power 1 means you can explain. So 1x, 1y. The 1, no need to memorize from today onwards. Just you see, I will teach x plus y whole square. So now I will find the what is identity for this power. So x plus y whole power 2 means, if I memorize, definitely I tell you one day you couldn't recall for this identity, but now you have to follow my words, my way of teaching. Just you think about the Pascal rules, you can get the identities. Just you see the power 2. Power 2, just you have to write from 1. The 1 means here 1, here 1. Next to 2 means, just you see the 1 is come, another the 2 is here, another the 1 is 1. Likewise you have to write it. So one by one I will teach you. Now our coefficients 1, 2, 1. This is very important. Next thing, here the power 2 means all the variables in the power you have to add, directly it will become 2. Here x square. What is the possibilities is there? Separate x square, it will come here. Then if you add the both x, y, here 1, here 1, it will also possibilities is there. Then y square, it is another possibility is there. So now in between the gap here plus, so all places plus. No need to normalize. X square plus 2 in the xy plus y square. This is the identities. X square plus 2xy plus y square. So x plus y whole power square means x square plus 2xy plus y square. Just you see, x means what are the possibilities to write in the identities. Here power means the separate variable, it will come the power. Then in the separate variable it will come the power. Suppose if you multiply the both variable means 1, 1. If you add the power means we can add 1 plus 1, 2. So 2, 2, 2 because the power is 2. So the coefficient only you can get the value from the Pascal rule. 1, 2, 1. The sign, according to the sign, here positive means all the places it will appear plus. This is the meaning. Second one, x minus y whole power 2. This identity, how you have to write it means, just you try what I teach in the previous equation, the previous identity, the same way you have to follow it. So yeah, just you come to the Pascal rule. Here the power is 2. What are the coefficients? 1, 2, 1. This should be right. 1, 1, 2, 1. The same way, here also 2 variables. So first separate x square, second x and y, then y third place. Just you see how it will come, the identities. I explained from here. X square, the coefficient 2, another one 1. But in between the gap, the variable, how it will, you have to substitute. Just you see, x means it is a positive x, y it is a negative y. So that I have substitute negative y plus negative y whole square. Just you simplify x square. This is a minus. Already I have explained you how you have to find the addition and subtraction. In the previous video, if you go through, then you can get the formulas. The plus and the minus. So 2xy. So minus whole power square means it will come positive. So positive means already positive. So positive y square. So this is identities for x minus y whole square. So x square minus 2xy plus y square. So no need to memorize. It is very easy to get the identities, but you have to write identities, not in the equations. Equations means only satisfy the, according to the power. Power is 2 means only 2 roots only satisfy this polynomial to the equations. But if you substitute instead of the 2 roots, suppose if you need any other value means it is not satisfy the equations. So this is the equation, but identities, whatever you can substitute, you will get the right hand side. What is the value? You can get the same value in the right and left. So this is the identities. So just you see, just you think identities and equations, it is different and not equal. So now come to the next identities. X plus y whole power 3. Just you come to see the Pascal rule. The power is 3 means it is a coefficients of the variables. How it will come? So 1 means 1, 1 into 2, 3, sorry, 1 plus 2, 3, then 2 plus 1, 3, then 1 is come 1. This is the rule. Just you get it the coefficients of the variable for the power 3 identities. So x plus y whole power 3. So what is identities? All the variables it will come power 3. So here x means what are the possibilities is it? X first of all 3. Next one. So I put this a square. It is a 1 possibilities. Another possibilities it will 1 but it is a square. So another possibilities. And last one no other way. So directly come to the last one. It is a third y power 3. So middle is a positive. So here 1. You see the possible rule 1, 3, 3, 1. If you write, then it is a positive symbol middle. So positive all the variables. Just you see x power 3 plus 3x squared y plus 3x y squared plus y power 3. If you learn like it means anything power. So x plus y whole power 10 means you can write simple way. Just you make a Pascal rule. Then you write the coefficients how it is a possibilities the variable means write it, then put the coefficients, then you see the symbol. So positive means all the symbols it will appear in the positive. Negative means just you see carefully which place you are substituting the negative variable. You multiply proper rule of the addition binary operations rule, then you will get the proper identities. Just I explain one more. X minus y whole power 3 because here minus. So in the minus, this is the power 3. Power 3 means I know what are the coefficients value 1, 3, 3, 1. Just I put it 1, 3, 3, 1. But what is the sign? Negative sign. So what are the possibilities? First I increase the x power 3. Next I reduce x squared y. Then x squared y, then x y square, then y power 3. Like this I now substitute. But at the same time y is negative. So which place I substitute the y, but I want to substitute proper way. Y means not y, negative y because here negative y. So negative y means negative y, negative y, negative y. Just you multiply x power 3 is okay. But here negative y only, negative into positive, negative 3 x square y. But here y negative y power square means it will come the positive value. So positive means here also positive 3 x y square. But if the negative power 3 means add number 3, it will appear the negative y power 3. Just you get it the identities for the x minus y whole power 3. So x power 3 minus 3 x square y plus 3 into xy square minus y power 3. Just you check it. Here 3, here x square 1. So it is also 3. Here 1, here 2. It is also 3. Here y power 3. Just you get it proper identities for x minus y. So now I give the examples how you have to identify this equation. It is identity. I will give one example. Just use x plus y whole square identities x square plus 2xy plus y square. Now x equal to 1 myself, x y equal to 3. If I take, I will substitute in the particular place 1 plus 3 whole square equal to 1 square identities not equal. 1 square plus 2 into 1 into y equal to 3 plus y 3 whole square. Just use 1 square plus 1 square into 1, 2 into 1, 2, 2 into 3, 6 plus 3 over square 9. It is value 16. Here 1 plus 3, 4, 4 square equal to 16 identities. This is identities. But at the same time, the equation means, for example, x square, the previous, what I teach you, x square minus 3x plus 2. Suppose if I substitute x equal to 2. So here 4, 2 square 4, 2 square 4 minus 3 into 2 plus 2. Here 4 minus 6 plus 2 equal to 0. So here it is a second order. X equal to 1, another x equal to 2. The two values satisfy the equations. But now I will take one more value for the x. Suppose x square minus 3x plus 2. If I take x equal to 3. Now I want to check it. It is satisfied the equation. Otherwise, x3 whole square minus 3 into 3 plus 2. Just 9 minus 9 plus 2. It is not equal to 0. So that I told you. So any kind, the only two roots it is satisfied means because it is a second order equation. Second order equation means this equation must be have the two roots. Only the two roots satisfy the equations. So now I try to substitute 3 instead of x, but I didn't get the 0, so that it is not equations. So what is the equation? Only you have to substitute only two values. But here whatever we can substitute. X equal to 1, myself you can substitute x equal to minus 1, minus 3, which value. For example, I will give you another one for the identities. X equal to minus 1, x equal to 5. So now it is your value. I try to substitute what we are getting the answer, just you see. So minus 1 plus 5 whole square equal to identities minus 1 square plus 2 into minus 1 5 plus 5 whole square. So here minus 1 whole square means positive 1. Here minus 2 into minus 1 minus 2 minus 2 into 5 minus 10. Here 25. 5 square 25. So from these things value here 15 plus 16. Just you see minus 1 plus 5 means 4, positive 4 whole square. So this is 16. So 16. So here we can write the value only means it is equal. So that I told you the left hand side, right hand side it will come the same value means. Same means it is equal. So at the same time this when you get the same value you can call this is the identity. This is our concept. Thank you so much my dear friends. Just you follow my videos you can get easy way to learn mathematics. I give more tricks to learn mathematics. No worry, no difficulties to learn the mathematics. I will teach you easy way so you concentrate very well. You follow me, you share it and click the subscribe button. Thanks so much.